What's up YouTube? It's your girl Voice Like Angie and I'm back with another video. This time we're going to talk about milk of magnesia, the beauty hack that everybody's talking about. Does it work? Does it not work? Why are people even using that? So first of all, let's get into this video by talking about what milk of magnesia, tongue twister. Basically what milk of magnesia actually is, and why are females obsessing over it? Why are we using it? All the beauty gurus. So basically this is milk of magnesia. It's actually, see, I can see that. It's actually a laxative. And what a lot of females do, as you guys probably heard, you're already looking up this video, is we use it as a primer. So using milk of magnesia as a primer, can it be done? Personally, I use it on and off. Sometimes I end up getting an actual primer, sometimes not. But this thing, it works wonders, and I'm going to show you guys right now what I'm talking about. Like, this is the beauty hack of the century. So what you want to do is you want to open it. Just so you guys know, the flavor I'm using is I'm using wild cherry. And the reason why I use the flavored one over the original is, for some weird reason, whenever I have the original somewhere. Can I find it? Oh, yes, I can. Okay, so this is the original milk of magnesia. This is the original one. If you have really, really sensitive skin, maybe the flavored one wouldn't be good for you, or maybe you shouldn't use it at all then, you know. But that's like when people got food allergies and like they got a million of them and they want to still go out to eat, and you're like, why? Like, if you were allergic to bread and everything else, like, sit down. Yeah, so I personally just use the wild cherry one because it's a lot smoother in texture. So if you want to know what I use, I prefer to use the wild cherry. You can find this at Walmart for like $5 or less. So what milk of magnesia is, that tongue twister again, told you guys it is a laxative, a saline laxative, but don't get scared about that. It hasn't done nothing to me, and I've been using it for like 2 or 3 years. So, like I said, we used it as a primer. A lot of beauty gurus use it as a primer. And what a primer is, for those of you who don't know, it's the very, very, very first beauty step you do. Unless if you're doing your eyebrows, as you can see, I have my eyebrows done. I like to do my eyebrows first before I put anything else on my face, because I like my face dry before I put shit on it, things on it. So, what I like to do is, I'm gonna do mine the Ghetto Fab way, you know, the bougie way, fake bougie. Just dip my finger in it, okay, you know. If you have a brush that you feel like wasting, you know, sometimes I watch these beauty gurus and I'm like, damn, they be dipping their brushes in any and everything, and I'm like, how much money do you have to keep buying all these brushes? Y'all, I'm gonna always keep it real with you. I'm not wasting my brushes if I don't have to, okay? My brushes is for my eyeshadows, okay? Okay, caprice, kapay. Capiche, kapay. Anyway, so you guys, I take like literally a little bit. Now I'm gonna have to look at my mirror right now, so I'm gonna be looking this one. I got the milk of magnesia on my hand, and I just rub it. I rub a thin layer. If you rub too much on, oh, you'll see. I tried to test it out the other day and put too much on to see what would happen, just so I could tell you guys. And I put like so much on, and literally when my foundation went on, at first it looked fabulous, and then the whole thing looked so flaky. It was a mess, you know. I personally don't put it on my eyes because who wants to do that, you know? And maybe I'll put like a little dab on my forehead. You know, like a little dab. But literally, you guys can see a nice thin, even layer. So if you want a nice thin, even layer, like I said, you make sure it's completely rubbed in. Because if you have too much on one side, you know, you're gonna be able to tell. But basically what this is supposed to do is make your makeup look so locked in and smooth. And that's what it's gonna do. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to put on my foundation, do the rest of my makeup, and I'm going to show you guys how it looks. Alright? But again, it's milk of magnesia, saline laxative. It's amazing to use as a primer. This thing literally works wonders. So you guys, all I'm really doing here is I'm getting my foundation and I'm putting it right on top of that. You want to make sure the stuff dries first, but not too dry. But I'd say wait about 30 seconds and then you put your makeup on. 30 seconds to 45 seconds and you put your makeup on. Okay, so there you guys have it. Milk of magnesia as a primer. Literally, my face stays on all day. I could be working from morning until night and my face will still stay tongue twisters again. My face will still stay flawless. So, do I recommend it? Definitely. Tell a friend or tell a friend. Try milk of magnesia for yourself and write in the comments below and let me know what you guys think and all that good stuff. So yeah, this is the finished final product. As you can see, my skin literally it looks flawless, and trust me, it's not. It's just like you. All the time. They just pop up every time I have a drink of soda. Yeah, you guys, but this is what it looks like up close and personal. See that skin? It literally looks just so flawless. And when you have a flawless foundation, like a base, then everything, because I don't want to say foundation because us in the beauty world, we know what foundation means. So I'll say base then. When your base or your canvas is flawless and then you add makeup to it, it makes it look even better. But if your primer is not doing the trick, it's gonna mess up. No matter how great products you have for makeup, it's still gonna mess it up. So again, you guys, try it out. Let me know what you think. But yeah, my makeup, it does not come off. It stays on, and I love it. And that's my beauty hack. Milk of magnesia. Try it.